Alright, let's see what's in the box today. I'm not sure what this is. I ordered a bunch of stuff. So this is, this is like around 60 bucks. And this, according to all the reviews, is like the best priced, most realistic mask you're gonna find from Zagone Studios. Let's see what we got. It's all balled up. Oh, and it's from Melrose Park, Illinois. Made by hand. It's just regular latex. Obviously, it looks more realistic when somebody's wearing it. So here it is. I haven't taken the tag off because I don't like the fact I cannot get this part, this indentation to come out. Now it's kind of cool the way you can see my eyes moving with it, with a little bit of makeup and my mouth. So this is supposed to be a DOA old man, and I don't know. You can move your mouth a little bit. So they're coming to get you, Barbara. So it's hard to perform in it. I think with a little bit of makeup around the eyes, it could look a little bit more realistic. So it is kind of creepy. I just wish that this nose didn't have this dimple or dent. And I tried pushing from the other way, and it's not popping out no matter what I do. So unfortunately, I'm going to return this one. I have a feeling it could maybe just be this one, and it's not. The brand is supposed to be, it looks like they take a lot of pride in what they make, so this is maybe just a one-off. That's creepy. E.G. Scary out. Alright, well hopefully this helps you in your decision if you're going to buy one of these too. Do me a favor and subscribe to my channel. And like this. And tell your friends. Happy haunting.